is Russia unveiled its first robot army that will confront the U.S.
In an era dominated by technological advancements, Russia is stepping onto the global stage with a game-changing force. A robot army. Imagine a battlefield not with thousands of soldiers, but with lines of robotic tanks and drones, each one ready for combat without a single human on board. Join us as we delve into the reality of Russia's groundbreaking robot army. Number 1. FEDOR, Final Experimental Demonstration Object Research, also called FEDOR. It was originally designed for rescue operations and space missions. FEDOR has evolved into a sophisticated humanoid robot, capable of performing complex tasks autonomously or under human control. It can shoot with both hands, operate tools, drive vehicles, and even perform intricate physical maneuvers. This versatility makes it invaluable for both extreme situations and detailed, delicate tasks in unsafe environments. Number 2. Robot Dog. Developed by Intellect Machine, this robotic canine is not only capable of accurately shooting and transporting weapons, but also serves versatile roles in civilian and combat scenarios. It can navigate through debris for reconnaissance, deliver medical supplies, and handle tasks like target designation and patrolling. However, there is controversy surrounding its originality, with allegations from the U.S. that it closely mimics a Chinese model from Unitary Robotics, suggesting it may not be a wholly original Russian development. Number 3. Avatar Robot. Russia's ambitious project aims to develop an avatar robot within the next decade, potentially replacing human soldiers on the battlefield. This robot could be designed in either an anthropomorphic form that resembles a human, or a non-anthropomorphic form, featuring parts like a caterpillar track for a leg. Its capabilities are intended to mirror human actions, such as traversing difficult terrain, providing first aid, and operating vehicles. The ultimate goal is for the avatar to perform various military functions autonomously, which could significantly reduce the risk to human life in combat. Number 4. Uran-9. Today's pinnacle of Russian robotics includes marvels like the Uran-9, a formidable combat robot tailored for the complexities of urban warfare, boasting an arsenal designed to dominate in close-quarter battles. This high-tech machine has no analogs in the world. The Uran-9 is equipped with the most advanced weapons, including a 30mm cannon, machine gun, and guided surface-to-surface and surface-to-air missiles. And most importantly, it works remotely. Using a special console, the operator can control it at a distance of 1.8 miles. You will see how the Uran-9 independently overcomes obstacles, finds targets, and uses weapons in combat conditions. Number 5. Soratnik. Soratnik is a versatile battlefield ally, engineered for support roles and enhanced with surveillance capabilities to safeguard troops. Designed to operate alongside infantry units, Soratnik is equipped with various weapons and sensors, allowing it to engage enemy targets effectively while reducing risks to human soldiers. It represents a significant advancement in military robotics, enhancing battlefield capabilities and augmenting the effectiveness of ground forces. Number 6. Nerehta. Nerehta is another unmanned ground combat vehicle developed by Russia. Similar to the Soratnik, Nerehta is designed to operate alongside infantry units, providing fire support and reconnaissance capabilities. It's equipped with a range of weapons and sensors, making it versatile on the battlefield. Nerehta represents Russia's continued investment in unmanned military technology, aiming to enhance the effectiveness and safety of ground operations. Number 7. Orlan-10. In the skies, drones like the Orlan-10 augment surveillance capabilities, capable of operating in challenging environments to relay crucial data back to command centers. It's widely used by the Russian military and other security agencies for various missions, including intelligence gathering, target acquisition, and monitoring. Orlan-10 is known for its endurance, capable of staying airborne for extended periods, and its ability to operate in different weather conditions. It plays a significant role in enhancing situational awareness and supporting ground operations. Strategic advantages and operational use. Russia's deployment of robotic systems in military operations offers strategic advantages that are reshaping the landscape of modern warfare. These machines provide Russia with a tactical edge through enhanced speed, reduced risk to human soldiers, and improved operational capabilities. Robotic systems can execute missions at a pace and precision, that far exceed human capabilities, allowing for rapid deployment and action in critical situations. Additionally, these robots significantly lower the risk to human life by taking on dangerous tasks such as surveillance in heavily mined areas or direct combat roles in active war zones. In real-world applications, the effectiveness of these robotic systems has been prominently displayed in regions like Syria and Ukraine. In Syria, Russian combat robots have been used for tasks ranging from surveillance to direct engagement with enemy targets, proving their utility in complex conflict scenarios. In Ukraine, unmanned ground vehicles have been deployed to clear mines and provide logistical support, demonstrating their versatility and durability on the battlefield. Visual elements in this segment of the video could powerfully illustrate these points. Clips of robots undergoing rigorous training exercises could show their agility and robustness. Footage from actual deployments in Syria or Ukraine, where these machines navigate rough terrains, execute combat missions, or assist in demining operations, would visually underscore their operational effectiveness. These images not only convey the practical applications of Russian military robotics, but also highlight their impact on modern military strategies, where speed, safety, and efficiency are paramount. By integrating these advanced robotic systems into their military operations, Russia not only enhances its strategic capabilities, but also sets a new standard for the use of technology in warfare, pushing forward the boundaries of what is possible on the battlefield. International implications and reactions. As Russia advances its robotic military capabilities, the international response has been mixed, with many nations observing these developments with both concern and strategic interest. This growing prowess in military robotics is prompting countries worldwide to reassess their defense strategies and technological investments, recognizing that such advancements could significantly alter the balance of power in both regional and global contexts. The United States, in particular, has taken significant notice of Russia's strides in robotic technology. In response, the U.S. is accelerating its own robotics programs, focusing on enhancing autonomous and semi-autonomous systems that could match or surpass Russia's capabilities. This includes substantial investments in AI and machine learning, aimed at ensuring the U.S. retains its technological edge in military operations. These developments hint at a broader shift towards more automated forms of warfare, where unmanned systems could play increasingly prominent roles. This shift carries the potential for not just altered military tactics, but also new forms of engagement that could reduce human casualties in direct combat. However, it also raises the prospect of a new type of arms race, one centered around technological superiority rather than traditional armaments. This evolving landscape requires thoughtful international dialogue and cooperation to manage the implications of widespread military robotics. Nations must navigate these waters carefully, balancing innovation with the need for stability and norms that govern the use of such transformative technologies in warfare. Future of warfare and ethics. The rapid advancement of robotics is reshaping the future of warfare, introducing a new era where autonomous systems play a central role on the battlefield. As nations increasingly deploy unmanned systems, military tactics are evolving towards a greater reliance on technology for precision, speed, and reduced risk to human life. This technological shift is not only transforming how battles are fought, but also where they occur, with the potential for conflicts to extend into digital and remote domains. However, the integration of robotics in warfare raises significant ethical concerns. One of the most pressing issues is the moral appropriateness of allowing machines to make life and death decisions. The delegation of combat roles to autonomous systems challenges traditional concepts of warfare, where human judgment and accountability are pivotal. There are also risks associated with the potential for an arms race in military robotics, which could increase global tensions and lead to a new kind of arms escalation. These ethical dilemmas require urgent attention from the global community. There is a need for robust international regulations and agreements that govern the use and development of autonomous weapon systems. Ensuring that these technologies are used responsibly involves establishing clear guidelines for their operation, including stipulations that maintain human oversight in critical decision-making processes. As we navigate these challenges, the ongoing discourse around military ethics and robotics will shape not only the future of warfare, but also the broader implications for international security and the ethical use of technology in combat scenarios. As we've explored the cutting-edge world of military robotics, it's clear that the battlefield of tomorrow will be drastically different from anything we've known before. What do you think about the rise of robotic warfare? Is it the future we need, or a step too far? Share your thoughts and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more discussions like this.